Alright, we are at the meet. First meet of the year. Let's go see what we can find. Here's some spicy cars. I saw a lot of pretty decent talent coming in. I think we're gonna find some good stuff tonight. Let's go see. This is Kung Fu Tea. Yeah, look at these wheels. Pretty sick. Spicy lineup. Beautiful. I don't know if y'all have a soft spot for Preludes, but I do. Alright, here we go. Yeah, look how clean this is. Oh, yeah. Right hand drive. Yeah, buddy. Very cool. I like this a lot. Love your car, bro. This is sick. Oh, stance is on point. I love it. Love these classic Hondas. Ooh, Midori Mike. Yeah, he's famous around here. This guy, we see him around. What up, dude? Good. Ooh, Autozam back here. We're checking this out. This guy, we see him around. Looks like our truck found a good spot. This is our Honda Active, and Caleb got the AZ1 out. This is a super rare edition of the AZ1. M205, I believe. Wow, such a clean example. This car, okay, M21015. Hey, how many of these did they make?
Just Autozams or the M2?
The M2.
Nobody knows an exact number. It's guesstimated around 100. Online will tell you 50.
Oh, wow. 50?
So, yeah.
So that's quite rare. Very cool. So
I
many.
don't know if there's, but maybe 10 or 15 of them in the States.
Okay, we're going back in. Let's take a tour. I noticed that the interior just looked amazing on this car. I really like the seats. Not much room for storage. Looks like you got pretty good speakers. That looks familiar. Yeah, we got a couple of those. Very cool car, very cool. We've tried to buy so many of these, but they just never quite check out. Freaking leather, going doors. Okay, let's get back to it. We gotta find some cool cars. Nice horns. chick was gonna hit somebody. Look at that wing. No, it's like electric, active.
Okay.
It's an active wing. Like when you hit the brakes, it'll beep.
Shit.
Yeah.
That's the first time they've done that on a horse, that style, right?
Yeah.
They've had the ones that sit flush with the body. I've seen those.
Yeah, it's like a new thing. I wonder if it's aftermarket, because I know they came on like a super rare edition, but I didn't know it was on the GT3 as well.
Yeah. I wonder if it's like the Lamborghinis where you can,
Like an option it or something?
like a park mode where you can show it off.
Yeah. Cool. Because it's like the first meet of the year,
Yes.
and like people are coming out. It's a nice
Yes,
night.
it's fun, nice night. And actually,
coming
I've
out.
been seeing tons of cars too. I've never seen before. I've seen at least 2 or 3 other ones. I know I've never seen their car.
But I mean, like those cars were like throwaway cars,
They were.
and they didn't age well at all.
No.
And for that to be clean and like lowered and proper, I
That was
dig.
my dream car as a child.
Ooh, that's a good spot too. Flexing a little bit. Heck yeah. FCRX7. Green tint. Kidding me? This is awesome. The FC is really kind of starting to grow on me. That's a cool color. That's cool. I like that. Clean too. Very clean. Let's go compliment. Hey, I just wanted to say that's awesome. Very cool. homie right here. Excited. Mark 5 R32, yes. Yes, I used to have one of these. These are so cool. I met this guy just a few days ago at a meet, actually. And this thing is insanely clean. Just imported 2 weeks ago. Very cool. Very good condition. Yeah, the engine bay is like spotless. This car is awesome. So this is the first car meet of the year. Everyone's just ready to get out. So it is extra spicy out here tonight. Here's our SMX. Oh, it's a Honda SMX.
SMX. I've never heard of one.
And it's from Japan. You can tell because of the way it is.
Yep. It's sick, dude. I love it.
Yeah, it came in about October last year, and we pretty much just parked it because it started snowing, and now we can bring it out and enjoy it.
Nice.
And if you haven't seen our other car, which is the
I've seen-
Gold
yeah,
Acti,
yeah.
you can't miss that one.
Yeah.
But yeah, this one is stupid clean. That's
It is.
not a factory body kit, but the side skirts and the rear bumper are factory body kit, but kind of a unique vehicle.
Yeah. I've been looking at a whole bunch of import stuff, and I love, not quite the same, but somewhat in a similar vein, the Suzuki Alto works.
Okay.
I love those things so much.
You know,
They're so
I actually do too. I haven't driven one yet, but everyone that has them loves them. They're
Yeah.
like great track cars, evidently.
Yep.
So I'm excited to get to drive one soon. Got the Kirby. Let's see, you guys, that meet was insane. Oh my God, we get kicked out by the cops. There's Scottie. Say what up, Scottie.
What's going on,
Hey,
man?
buddy,
This
we're
thing's
taking
actually-
off.
Ooh.
Ooh. Not bad, not
Yeah, now you
bad.
heading home?
Yeah. We're out.